Today we're pleased to offer this 2022 Land Rover Defender. It's a 90, it's a V8 fitted with the 525 brake horsepower engine. Finished in Santorini Black. It's done 875 miles from new. It's got a host of extras and it's in superb condition, as you would imagine, with that mileage. We'll walk you around the vehicle and show you the extras it's got. Obviously, being the flagship model, it's got the matrix LED headlamps, it's got the panoramic opening roof, 22-inch wheels, etc. But this car has got some nice options to make it stand out from the rest. Okay, the first thing we'll notice are these extended wheel arches, which are also finished in Santorini Black. We've got Land Rover Defender side tubes there. It's got the extended black packs, all the badges and the grille centre, etc., finished in black. We've also got the front A-frame protection, which is also finished in Santorini Black. All the bumper bottoms and the side mouldings are also colour coded in Santorini. Okay, it sits on these 5-spoke 22-inch wheels finished in gloss black, and being the latest model, it has got the later, more subtle black Brembo brake calipers with the white lettering for Land Rover and Brembo. So front and rear cameras, got a electrically deployable tow bar. I'll show you in the boot here. The car's immaculate. Another nice expensive option are these exposed tow eyes to the rear. So that's the tow bar put away. Quad exhaust pipes, obviously for the V8. Inside the car, finished in the suede upholstery. There's the pan roof. We've got a clear view rear mirror with Home Link, so you can set your garage openers, etc. to that. There's the electric panoramic roof controls. We've got the 11.4-inch touchscreen and centre there with all the cameras and everything that goes with it. We've got front and rear climate control. We've got front and rear heated seats and front vented seats as well. Okay, inside the glove box there, we've got the fridge compartment. We've got the phone charger there, etc. We've got the USB and the new C-type USB chargers there. It's got the darker beam there, and obviously being a V8, we've got the leather top roll there. So Meridian sound system, memory seats to both front seats, electric folding door mirrors, suede steering wheel with the paddle shift, and the controls for the adaptive cruise control. And also we've got this often unavailable digital display for the dashboard. We've also got head-up display, which you can just see flickering there with the LEDs. Inside the back, never been sat in, we've got mats covering the original carpet mats, and the stainless steel pedals, so absolutely immaculate. We've got illuminated panels there. So there we are, 2022 reg, latest model, 90 V8 in Santorini Black with a host of extras, covered 875 miles only. We will just have a little bit of a ride down the road in it to show you how it goes. We do offer nationwide delivery. Please give us a call. Details on the website, and I hope you enjoy. Just give you a little buzz of the road in this lovely V8 Defender 90. Certainly one of the most fashionable cars on the market today. big waiting list for them, huge delivery time if you can even get an order in. So this one's not in Carpathian grey, this is in the shiny paintwork, the Santorini. All the same inside as the other cars. It's got the suede steering wheel with paddle shift, etc. It's got the big 11.4 inch touchscreen, it's got the interactive drive display in the centre. So we've got Apple CarPlay, etc. and there you can adjust the seats, we've got vented seats, heated seats and everything. There we've got a fridge compartment under the central armrest, we've got a phone charger there. Cameras all over the place, panoramic roof, garage opener, etc. Just cruising now, this car's been doing 18 miles per gallon. We can bring that down a bit if we went into manual transmission and use the pedals to go down. We're in sports mode now. Superb noise to the quad exhaust pipes. Obviously we're not going to go so fast, we'll just go back into normal mode. The car's nearly new, we don't want to overwork it, leave that to the next owner. So there we are, 875 miles from new, 2022 reg, new model black calipers with a host of extras for your enjoyment. If you're interested, give us a call on 01507 6022